Yo, B Rush 681 here on Thursday. Couldn't fly today, but that's all right. Time to feed the birds. The young homers for 2019. A little sneak peek to everybody out there, including all my competition. Some people know. What the young ones are looking like right now. You would think that I don't feed these things, but I do. Crazy. It's Thursday afternoon. Gonna fly them today. You know, bad weather. As you can see, rain's coming down. This rain, got them little storms coming through. But, lo and behold, '19 young ones. I use the feeders, but the feeders, they can't, the young ones cannot get enough to eat. Kind of do it this way, and you know, it works for me. Thank God it's Friday tomorrow. I'm on vacation. I deserve it. Come July 1st, I get new time. If I don't use it, I lose it. So, here's how the young ones are looking like. That splash and that red are related, and that one right there. All siblings. Like I mentioned before, the mother of that red and the father. The father won on the $100 band race. He won that race. I mean, not him. His father. Excuse me. And the splash, the mother won in the auction race. I share with everybody. B Rock 681 here on a Thursday. Diagonal off. What's up, Mr. Mendez? Pay me a visit. Thank you very much the other day. Can't forget IRC, George Mandera. Awesome guy. Came by, paid me a visit, and he saw the birds. My partner was here. Diagonal off, Georgie Flores, from Bayamon, Puerto Rico. What can I say? Here's what the birds are looking like right now. I don't hide nothing from anybody. That's all the young ones for 2019. We'll see what happens. We're gonna give them hell. Pastime. Love everybody's feedback. YouTube is a great thing. I've met a lot of awesome people out there. And that's how we keep it going. Motivation, the strive to keep the pigeons going, the hobby, the sport. I met a lot of nice guys up north, super nice guys. well as out west, across seas. And I share my information. This is what I do. Take time for the birds. Well, you see no birds are perching. Nobody. These guys are eating, they couldn't fly. That's alright. They'll have another day to fly. Tomorrow. I'm off. I'll fly them tomorrow. I'll look for that opening window, fly them. That's about it. Alright, I figure I share with everybody. D-Rock 681, Thursday night. Taino off. Please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, keep them flying. Like Mr. George Medera says all the time. IRC. How come you're not down there? Get your ticket. Get a job. Keep them flying. I'm off of this.